Hi everyone, this is Pimping Priscilla. Today, let's make a very delicious, healthy, and full of natural flavor honey lemon orange chicken. First of all, I would like to share is that I often buy chicken legs to do my dishes. There are two reasons. The first reason is I think dark meat is juicier, so I prefer dark meat more than the white meat. The second reason is after I cut off the meat, I can use the chicken bones to make a small pot of chicken soup. This is so we called one stone killed two birds. Although cutting the chicken legs does require maybe 5 to 10 minutes of your time, if you don't want to do so, you can go to supermarket to buy all kinds of different meat, and then they offer all kinds of selections of cuts. At this time, if you like saltier and heavier flavor, you can coat the chicken with some salt and let them sit for 10 minutes. So besides the sauce, so the chicken will have even more flavor. In order to make the chicken taste very tender, we will prepare an equal portion of flour and cornstarch mix. We will coat the chicken with the first layer of flour. Then the second layer, we will beat 2 eggs. We will pour the eggs onto the chicken, and we will coat the chicken with eggs evenly. And for the third layer, we will put the chicken back to the flour and again, coat them well, but no need to coat the chicken with too much flour. And remember to dust off excess flour. Since we do 3 layers of coating, so it helps to seal the juice within the meat. So after we pan fry the chicken will be very crispy, but the chicken meat itself will be very juicy and tender. The chicken is ready. And now let's prepare some vegetable and spices. First, let's cut out some green onions, and then ginger. And how you cut the green onions and ginger and the bell pepper, it actually doesn't matter that much. The main vegetable for this dish is bell pepper. And then there are so many different varieties and colors at the market, so you can choose whatever you like. One of the main ingredients is orange. Orange has wonderful natural sweetness, and it contains all sorts of vitamins. For such a beautiful ingredient, we should use it more in our daily cooking. Now, we will cut out some shallots. Shallots has many health benefits. Also, it can bring out the aroma of the dish. everything is ready. Let's prepare the sauce. First, we will need some salt, lemon juice, soy sauce, honey, and mix them well. Lastly, we will mix some water with cornstarch. This is for thickening the sauce at the end, so the orange sauce will be able to coat the chicken very well. Now is the time to pan fry our chicken. Usually, if you order this dish in the restaurant, their cooking method is deep fry the chicken. Since we are cooking at home, we don't really need to deep fry our chicken. We can just use a little bit more oil. We can kind of do half fried but half pan fried the chicken, so we can use less oil, but at the same time, it doesn't affect the crispiness of the chicken at all. Listen to the sound. Now look at the chicken. They are beautiful golden brown color. Does that make you hungry already? Now the chicken is done cooking, you actually can just eat like this. You can add some salt and pepper or dip them into any sauce you like to enjoy. But let's continue with the orange sauce. We need to stir fry all the vegetable and spices. So when the red bell pepper is the texture you like, then you can add in the chicken stock and the orange sauce. And now pour in the cornstarch water, so the sauce will be thickening. After about a minute, you can see the sauce present the most shining and beautiful color. At this moment, it's time to put in your chicken. Now gently stir so the chicken will be totally coated with this delicious and wonderful orange sauce. Usually when we talk about sweet and sour flavor, we often just use sugar and vinegar to create the flavor. But today, I use lemon and honey and some fresh fruit to create this wonderful and natural flavor. I think it's very essential for us to use fresh ingredients and flavors to bring out the best flavor of our everyday dishes. Now, this super tasty honey lemon orange chicken is ready. I hope you will enjoy it very much. If you like to cook with me, I will have a new dish to share with you every week. And if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell. I will see you soon.